What is up, guys? Welcome back to part 7 of the Cr250 build. I got some new parts for this dirt bike and I got a surprise for you guys, so stay tuned. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and fill up the antifreeze. I didn't fill it up last time in the last video. And I got a temperature gauge. Let's install it. So we're going to be installing this header exhaust. Let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to take off the seat, air box, and the subframe. Let's get it done. Alright guys, you guys are probably wondering why I took off the subframe, seat, and air box. I've been waiting for this moment. I got an electron carburetor. Let's get this installed. Let's go ahead and get the throttle cable off. decided to take off the gas tank to put in the new cable. The other one was too long. So let's go ahead and install the Electron. Let's get it done. Now, let's go ahead and install the air box. Go ahead and install the exhaust. Let's get it done. Got everything installed, the header exhaust and the exhaust. Now let's go ahead and install the fuel tank. Fill it up with Cr250 oil and premium gas. And get it the first startup. Let's go. Look how satisfying that is. Let's get the first startup. Guys, so I just installed that Electron carburetor. I heated it up to 200 degrees. Let it cool down for 15-20 minutes. And every time it starts first kick, I absolutely love it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on anything. And go follow me on Instagram at FakesBuildAndSend so you can get a sneak peek before YouTube. See you guys.